Yeah, the biggest challenge we face as a company right now is dealing with growth. Each day we're trying to manage our supply chain, our manufacturing, and our staffing so we can meet our customers' demands. KLN is a family-owned company located in Minnesota. We have 3 manufacturing facilities that produce candies and confections, super premium pet foods, and treats, and we're currently expanding into the wet can space. What led us to IFS was our company was expanding, our current ERP solution was being sunsetted, and we had kind of outlived its capacity. So we were looking for a solution that had MRP, additional forecasting tools, and that search led us to IFS. We stacked IFS against a bunch of its competitors, and at the end of the day, its manufacturing strength, its forecasting strength, put it head and shoulders above the competition. Currently, we're running IFS across our business from finance to manufacturing. Most of our teams are utilizing IFS. As a result of the condensing of data into the IFS software package, we're able to reduce our yearly spend on maintenance and additional software packages. Shop floor workbenches helped us identify how many people we need to make our product and then how much time and effort it takes to produce that product. On the raw material side, we're able to significantly reduce our raw material current inventory, and within 6 months of implementation, we reduced the inventory amount by $2 million. On the finished good side, as a result of utilizing IFS and its forecasting and planning tools, we were able to reduce our inventory amounts by roughly 25%.
IFS adjusted to meet our needs. We're able to configure rather than customize. So we're able to save on some customization costs by bringing those in-house, and we're able to quickly make the configurations to meet our end users' needs.
Overall, our experience with IFS has been fantastic. It's exceeded our expectations, whether it's the people, whether it's the software, whether it's their future capabilities. We're very excited for what the future holds with us and with IFS. IFS is the foundation of our success in the future. We purchase, we manufacture, and we have all of our finances in there. So if we're going to grow, we need IFS to grow with us.